Most people who've been arrested for a DUI do not realize that their license is going to be automatically suspended in 30 days unless they do something. When the officer took your license away, he gave you a temporary pink paper that's your license, and on it, it states that your license will be suspended within 30 days if you don't request a hearing within 10 days. You need to make sure that either you or your attorney arrange with the DMV to have a hearing within 10 days. If not, 30 days after your arrest, you're going to have no license to drive. If a police officer has probable cause and asks you to give a breathalyzer test, you have already agreed when you got your California driver's license that you would do so. If you do not agree to the breathalyzer, then what will happen is you will have a 1-year suspension from the DMV for failure to do so. So most of the time, it's better off, if you are concerned about your license, you're better off to do the breathalyzer than to refuse it, which creates its own problems. If you refuse a breathalyzer, the police can take you to a hospital and have a phlebotomist take your blood against your will. And at the same time, you will have been considered to have refused for DMV purposes, and your license will be suspended for 1 year. When you've been pulled over and the officer suspects DUI, he will ask you to do a range of field sobriety tests. The purpose of these sobriety tests is to prove that you're drunk. So if you tell the officer that you're not willing to do them, most of the time when you do field sobriety tests, the result is that they have more evidence against you to convict you of a DUI. So refusing to do field sobriety tests generally puts you in a better position than if you actually perform the field sobriety tests. When you've been convicted of a DUI in the state of California, the consequences can be severe. Everyone who's convicted is required to do a alcohol program for offenders of DUIs. Generally has to pay a large fine and in many cases do some jail time. When you have a second DUI, that comes with mandatory jail time, and a third DUI comes with even more jail time and a full revocation of your driver's license. When you have over 3, it then becomes a felony and you can go to state prison and serve many years in jail for a DUI. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, call Earl Carter Associates and we can help you with whatever you need.